branded GeGe pExtra. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, here's a little action on maybe 3. There was 2. No, first one was 4. That was 3, 2. And now nothing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think there may only be 5 pins in here. 3, 2. There's 2. 1, 2. 3, 4. Let's increase tension a little bit. Okay, there's a little bit more on maybe 4, 2, not much going on there, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 3, there's something happening on 3. 2, 3, 4. Okay, drop some stuff, see what happens. Three again, 2. Nice click on 2. I don't think we've had a whole lot of nice clicks on 2 yet. 5, 4. Okay, a lot happening on 4 right now. 2, 3 needs some attention, and we're open. Alrighty. Grab the old pinning tray. Refocus. Lock that back up. Back here you can see how nasty that warding is. Bring this up here a little bit. So this is more representative of the wording, you know. So it's not super friendly. It's not too bad, but it's not super friendly. From here, it looks, you know, super wide open. Like a pin or something holding that in. Looks like there's some kind of pin holding that in. It's going to make it interesting to cut. I think we're going to be okay though. Look at that. One thing's for sure, we're going to use a shim. Get out your CLK supplies, extra thin shims. And nice and easy. All right. Oh, dang it. Okay, we lost a couple of wafers, but that's all right. Didn't realize this thing was so mastered. Okay, that looks fine. Boom, boom. You must pick it. You must pick it. Where is my pick? Where's my pick and strudel? Okay, big derpy looking pin 1. Pin 2 had 1 master wafer. Looks like just 2 and 5 had master wafers in them. I'm not sure exactly what trickery is in here, but there's definitely some interesting sort of security things going on in there. Whoa! 2 wafers. It's only a wafer thin. Yeah, 2 wafers on 5. Okay. And now, I know. Well, of course, there could be wafers in here still, so we are going to find out today. There's my other tweezers. Tweeze. Do. Standard. Springling. Wacky looking spool. springling. Ooh. Yeah, that's a little tapered. Oh. Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Whoa, pin and pin, cool. All right, pin and pin with a spools kind of thing going on. That's rad. That's rad. That explains some of the interesting feedback. That's on 3, so that had no wafer and was definitely, I mean, I think I narrated that reasonably well to betray the fact that there was something interesting going on 3. Springling. Some different springlings in it too. Whoa. Magnetic pin. Okay, whoa. That one's serious. Okay, just one side. Okay, there's a magnet on one side, and it means business. That's interesting too. Well, that's cool. I don't know if, oopsie doodle. I wonder if, okay. Look at that string's magnetized or something. Okay. I don't know who was where. But where's my key? I'm pretty sure that spool was in position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, there were 6 pins in there. Well, just goes to show what I can do. I don't even know if with these master wafers in there, if pin 6 came into play so much. I probably accidentally set that, but I'm pretty sure the spool was in 5. A couple of springlings in there. Interesting, we have different springlings in here, although one might hazard a guess that these spools, for heaven's sakes, these spools, yeah, there we go. So these spools have this little slot in them for the springs, so they probably take the smaller springs. I'm gonna check something out here. I didn't find any master wafers on top, so there's yeah, I don't think pin 6 was doing a whole lot. I mean, what with a standard pin and that almost being at the shear line. Did I have... Did I mix that up somehow? What is happening here? This guy definitely lives here. And this guy lives here with his friend the master wafer. guy lived there. This guy lived there. Perhaps these master wafers are of different sizes, and I may have no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've gotten something screwed up in here. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, because it's a 7-pin drilled, and 6 populated. Right. There we go. Okay, well, that solves that mystery. Forgot what I was even going on about, because the things wouldn't fit, but well, that's right. I was gonna. So that did come into play a little bit. I did end up having to pick that one. And 4 with its wacky magnetic pin. Okay, anyway, this is a cool GeGe pExtra. Very long video for that, with these 2 wacky spools, this pin-in-pin kind of spool thing, this magnetic pin, 2 standards, and there it is.